You might have seen people lining up to buy gold for a wedding or as a gift. The yellow metal, after all, is the perfect gift. But that is not the reason for the latest gold buying frenzy that's unfolding in several parts of the world. Take a look at our next report to find out more.
Anxious citizens from Thailand to Vietnam are flocking to buy gold. Why? Gold is usually considered a safe bet during turbulent times. The dollar strength is weighing on global currencies. The impact of currency devaluation is larger on emerging markets. That, in turn, is pushing people to buy gold. Global inflation and geopolitical uncertainty are other factors at play. People are queuing up at gold stores to protect themselves against their local currency depreciation. Small investors are feeling the pinch even more on their savings. Because of the demand for the yellow metal, prices have surged to record highs. Gold hit a life high of $2,450 an ounce this year. Still, investors are betting more on gold. Even in China. Why? The property and the stock market crisis is driving the demand. Gold is seen as a reliable asset in Asia. The precious metal is treated more than just an asset or an investment, particularly in Southeast Asia due to those deep-rooted beliefs. Central banks too around Asia are piling into gold to add to their reserves. According to a survey conducted, 80% of central banks are planning to increase their gold reserves over the next year. Typically, high US interest rates suppress gold prices, but gold has defied that. Current trends indicate broader concerns such as global inflation and geopolitical tensions, which outweigh high global rates. In Asian markets, investors are breaking their usual habit of buying gold only when prices are low. Instead, they are choosing to buy gold even at record high prices. Historically, Vietnam and Thailand have been some of Southeast Asia's biggest gold buyers, while China and India have dominated the wider regional market. If we talk about Vietnam, there are long queues outside state-owned banks as locals rush to buy gold. The Vietnamese dong has depreciated for well over a decade now. What's not helping is the high inflation rate from global supply chain concerns. Vietnam's inflation rate touched 4.4% in May, its highest level since early 2023. The scenario is similar in Thailand. Thailand's inflation too has surged. The latest figure shows the highest rate since April last year. Meanwhile, in places like Singapore and similar stable places, gold serves as a lucrative bet against potential interest rate shifts. This reflects a global economic landscape where uncertainties drive investments. Bureau Report WION, World is One.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.